Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first vlog that you'll see, and today we're gonna go test drive for $50 gift cards, and I will show you and tell you later on how you can do that yourself, and I'll also put links down below. Also, you'll be seeing Davila doll. Follow her.
Hi, it's me behind the camera.
Follow her on YouTube. And we also have Talon in the background.
Her name is Fallon.
Fallon.
Wow.
Okay, we also have Fallon in the background, so you'll be seeing them today as well. But just take a ride on this journey, and we'll see you when we get there. Hey guys, so the first thing you would do to go on and find this $50 gift card is go to Google, Chrome, Safari, whatever browser you're on, and I would go to incognito because I already went on my phone, but then you would type in the URL into the browser. And I will also put the link down below. Then when you go there, it'll pop up as the gift card. So it's popping up as a 40 Visa prepaid card. So the price did go down. You would only be getting 40 instead of 50. But you would, oh snap. Oh, blue box. Oh, snappy. Alright, so I'm going to do this again because it went away. I clicked the wrong thing. So now we're going to go there again to incognito, and then we're going to type in the URL, go there, and then it's going to pop up. And then you're going to click the $40 Visa prepaid, and then this little information fill out will come up. You put your name, your last name, zip code, delivery method, and then I would say email would be your best option. Then you would type your email in this box below. Then you would choose the model. They have all different types of models that you can choose from. So whatever floats your boat, choose whichever one you would want. And then you would click get your code, which is like right here. And then a screen would show up with a code on it and the dealership that you need to go to. So I would advise you to only go to that dealership. And because if you go to another one, you're not going to be able to get your $40 gift card. And I'm going to actually put a picture of one of the codes that I already use, so you're not going to be able to use it anyway. But I'll just show you a picture of it to see what it looks like. So now I'm ready to go to the dealership. I found out what it is. But in case you forget, it will be in your email if you choose that email option. Remember the email that you got. It'll show up here. It says receive your $50 prepaid gift card. And then you go to print your gift card. And it'll show you what Hyundai dealership it is. It'll give you your address so you know where you're going, how to get there, put it in your GPS. And then when you get there, you would just say, hey, I'm here to test drive for the $40 now gift card. And then they would know what to do after that. If you print this off, just fill it out before you get there. It'll be like your name, your address, and your phone number, the email that you use to receive this, your zip code, and everything else. And then if you want everybody else in your house to get one, it's only one per household. So if you have multiple addresses, you can use that. But then you would just bring this here. They'll get you all squared away. And then sometimes they don't, you don't even have to drive the car, because you get there, they'll be like, okay, cool, just fill this out, or you already have it printed out. So then you're just getting email within the next couple of days. Within the next couple of days from the dealership. If not, I will call them, email them to see what's up, and then make sure that they give it to you, because sometimes, people don't do their jobs, so you need to stay on them. And so now, yeah. So we are here at Hyundai, and now we're gonna go test drive to get this $50 gift card.
You brought a jacket.
I also do challenges, chit chats, college tips, hacks in life.
Oh, okay. I look forward to something like that too. Let me get a card.
Thanks. No, he was on to me. He was like looking at this. I was like, let me cover this up. Can't be showing them my tricks. You see this? Like, look at this. Oh wait, not camera. Oh yeah. I know. I'm going to. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah, for the right zip code. Go ahead, Davi.
Oh, okay. My mom's car is supposed to start.
Wait, what?
And I don't know how
Where's
to.
the light? I'm so confused. Oh wait, push the start. You had to press the brake.
Where's the?
Press the brake and then
I
push
know
the
I
button.
can't move up because I can't. I'm so scared.
Just press it.
I'm scared. You do
Press
it. I don't want to get in
Oh
trouble.
my
I
God.
don't want to get.
All right, guys. So we're switching places. Here you go, Davi. Oh, my car. So here you go, guys. Just bought a car. These keys are bogus. This is not the real key. I was wondering.
Because my mom has a push to start car, and like I don't know how to work it for real. Because you like there's a magnet for the key.
This is a fake.
There's a magnet for the key. I don't know how it works.
All right, guys, so after you get everything squared away, you have your coupon code, you go to the dealership, you test drive, or just fill out your information. A few days later or a couple days later, after they put your information in, they will email you. If they don't, again, I would call them and email them, hound them down to make sure that you get your money's worth for driving out there and doing what they said for the promotion. But you would get this confirmation email. It would say confirmation for your card. And then you would just click the link above and it'll take you to where your card is. This is not what actually shows up at first. It'll say, do you want digital or do you want it mailed to you? Mailing it costs $3, so you have 47. Well, actually, if you have the 40 for now, it'll be 37 instead of $40. So I would advise doing the digital copy because there's no point even getting the card. You can't put in your bank. I already tried. So they limit the cards. I know it's disappointing, but just get the digital card, buy things online, and then everything will be all squared away. And then if you get the digital, you can use it as soon as possible because it goes straight to you. And then, yeah.
So, how did you like the test drive?
It was great, you know. So actually, we didn't even test drive. So if you go there, they most likely will say that you don't have to test drive. All you gotta do is just give them your information and fill it out. And then they'll email you the rest of the gift card in your email So then I would choose the electronic gift card rather than mail it to you, because then you'll waste $3 and have 47 instead of 50. Bye guys.